Now we need to position this, and we're going to position this explosion on the instantiated C4. So we're going to say look for game object dot find, open bracket, close bracket, and we're going to say look for, oh, what did I call my C4? Let me just double check. C4 bomb. Okay, we're going to say look for C4 bomb, open bracket, close bracket, clone dot transform dot position, comma, you can copy that line from game object, paste it here, and change position to rotation, and closing bracket. And then we're gonna wait 3 seconds before the explosion destroys itself. So destroy, open bracket, and I'm gonna say exp part, comma, 3 seconds. That destroys the explosion, and then we have to call the explosion in this. So we're gonna say C4 bomb sound, open bracket, close bracket. We're gonna call that, and we're gonna call C4 explosion, open bracket, close bracket, closing semicolon. Copy this and paste it for the untagged one as well. Save it. Now let's set the input key for this. So go to the update function, and we're gonna paste the inputs for that over here. So we're gonna say if, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, closing curly brace, if gun select manager is equal to gun manager dot C4. We want C4 mode to be enabled, so we're gonna say if, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, closing curly brace, C4 timer is equal to 0. We can apply the C4. If, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, closing curly brace, input dot get key, no, get mouse button, sorry, open bracket, close bracket, 0, and number of C4s. So that basically says make sure we have 3 bombs before we can plant any. If we don't have any, then this function won't work itself. Alright, and then we're going to call the C4 function. So C4 bomb function, I think I call it. Yes, I did. Open bracket, close bracket, closing semicolon. And then all I'm going to say is C4 timer is going to be equal to C4 cooler. That's that done. And one more thing left to do. Go to function awake, copy this, paste that in there, change hand to C4. If we have C4 equipped, then both of them should be false. So you should see nothing. Because at the moment I've got no C4 hand set up, so at the moment we're going to see nothing. And the last part is in the update itself. We have to make sure the C4 timer and cooler can't go above 0. So over here, we're going to say if, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, closing curly brace, if, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, closing curly brace. I'm going to say if C4 timer is greater than 0, then C4 timer minus equals time dot delta time. Copy that, paste it in there, put that to minus, not minus, sorry, less than, and then copy that, put it in there, put that as 0, and closing semicolon. You copy these 2 statements, paste them there, and change this to number of C4s. And we're going to say if number of C4 is greater than 3, then number of C4s are going to be equal to 3. And it's simple check down here. I'm just going to say if number of C4s, oops, sorry, that's the wrong line. Number of C4s should be here and there. And we're going to say if number of C4 is less than 0, and put that 0, and just replace C4 timer with number of C4s. And that pretty much concludes C4. Let's see if this works. Just updating. Oh, there's one mistake. Where are we? C4 clone. Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be transform, not point. So you want to change this one as well. Alright, let's go back, see if that goes away. The name's taken already. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. For the untagged one, you don't need var because it's been used over here and it knows what it's looking for. Save that, and that should get rid of that too. Yep. Now go to the script and attach the missing components. So main camera. We want the explosion, so explosion. I don't know which one it is. I've got to look for the right one. That's the one. Explosion's gonna go in there. C4 sound. It's one of these. I think it's grenade explode. That's the one, near explosion. And then finally the C4 itself. So C4 over here. Save it. And let's see if it works. So we're going to change to C4. Which we can't because I didn't even set the key for that yet. I just realized that as soon as I start the game I was like, oops. Okay, this is where we gotta set the key for that. So copy that, paste it in there. If you press R for 3, we can change to C4, and then we're gonna set this to C4 as well, and that to false. Save it. Let's try now. So I'll press 3. There you go. There's no hands available. There's no gun. So if I go to wall, which is this, and I press my key, okay, why did it play the sound before it even got attached? Alright, there's a little glitch in that script somewhere. It's most likely in the key press itself. No, it's not. It's in the function, that means. Where is the function got now? Okay, here we are. There we go, C4 seconds. I am such an idiot, sorry. That's gotta be C4 sec. That's why it was exploding before we placed the bomb. The sound, sorry. Save that. Go into Unity, let it update. And there we go. So I press 3. There we go, and it applied the force, as you can see, and that's a very tiny C4. Let's change the size on that for a second. Update that and delete it from here, and let's play that one more time. And let's see if we can place a C4 more than 3 times, which we're not allowed to do. So 1, 2, 3, that's it. There we go. That's how you implement C4 into the rayshoot script, guys. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe to my unknown YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial where we'll be covering grenades. Pretty much identical.